Okay, so this video is slightly different. We will just be talking about seamless crochet on a chain, on a foundation chain. So I have many other examples of garlands that I made with more complex patterns, but here I just wanted to illustrate the concept of crocheting a flat piece without having any sewing attachment. So basically it's all in the pattern design. So let's start off with like 2 circles next to each other. So you can just do a simple chain 2 and then just work into the second chain from hook and then do 5 single crochet stitches. So these are very simple examples. You can make them much more complex depending on what you intend for the final result to look like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, for example. That's 1 circle we will have, and then to sew down, to make another adjacent circle, you just chain 2 again, and then you work back into the second chain from hook and do another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there you have, it's just a very simple way of illustrating my point. You have 2 flat circles right next to each other. Even though it looks like a ribbon, you don't have to make one magic circle and another magic circle and then figure out how to sew them together. So this is one example of seamless crochet. And then the next one, let's just unravel this. The next one is like a simple triangle next to each other. It's all basically the same concept actually. So we start off with, say, chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we go into the second chain from hook and do slip stitch 1. Then after that we do a half double crochet 1. It's a smaller triangle, and then a double crochet 1. Okay, and here you get a very small triangle here. And then to make an adjacent one, you could just chain 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk into the second chain from the hook again. And then likewise, half double crochet 1. And then double crochet 1. Yes, and you see you get 2 adjacent triangles right next to each other without any sewing involved. It's all in a pattern. Okay, so these 2 are very simple examples of a circle and triangle. I have much more complex examples in terms of the garlands that I make, and there is no sewing or attachment involved, so you can go and check out those tutorials as well separately.